Buenos dias. Okay, this is our third and final video that we're going to be doing for the food unit, and this one focuses mainly on desserts, drinks, and tableware. Okay, and so as far as pronunciation, and I'll stop every now and then explain a few things, we have chocolate, flan. If you don't know what flan is, it's like a jiggly custard. Think maybe an airy cheesecake that's jiggly. Some people love it, some people hate it. It's very sweet. Galletas, helado. Some people refer to it as nieve, which is also the word for snow. You could have helado de chocolate, helado de vainilla, pan dulce, pastel, postre, torta. Okay, so torta has a lot of meanings. Well, torta can be cake, but some people also refer to torta as the word for sandwich. So it all depends on where you are in your Spanish-speaking world. And so you might even hear tarta, pastel, queque, or even bizcocho. But for us, we're going to use torta as cake. And some drinks. We have agua, bebidas, café, cerveza, cola, jugo, leche, limonada, refresco, té dulce, vino, zumo. That's mostly the word that they would use in Spain for juice. And then some silverware things, we have cubiertos, cuchara, cuchillo, plato, plato hondo, servilleta, taza, tenedor, vaso. Okay, so here is a screenshot of your desserts and drinks and the tableware that we mentioned. And then you're also going to have these verbs worked in, few of them, on the boom cards. So let me just run through the pronunciation real quick of these. We have beber, comer, tomar, buscar, cocinar, comprar, cortar, deber, lavar, limpiar, necesitar, pagar, pasar, preparar, and vender. So should you have a section where you have to conjugate the verbs, don't forget to drop your ending. And if it's an AR verb, you're going to put the O, as, a, amos, an. If it's one of your ERs, it would be the O, es, a, amos, en. And as a reminder, you've got your yo-to stuff over here, and you have the different people of the conjugations. Okay, you'll also encounter a couple of people words. We should have talked about chico, niño, muchacho way back when, and then you have chica, niña, muchacha for girl. I don't think we talked about the word for man. Man is hombre, and the word for woman is mujer. Okay, and the last thing that we want to know is if you wanted to say you're hungry, the best way in Spanish would be to say tengo hambre. You could even say it as yo tengo hambre if you wanted to. And if you're thirsty, it's either tengo sed or yo tengo sed. And we'll talk about this tango stuff next time when we do the verb tener and family stuff. Okay, so the video is short and sweet. If you will do the boom cards and send me 2 screenshots, that'll be good. And hope you guys are taking care. Till next time, adios.